Our drivers are ready. Corner marshals are ready. Good luck, drivers. We're going racing on the sound of the tone. All right, here we go. The number one spot is open as Yorn sealed the deal in the first two. Now it's the battle for second and third. Max starting with a clean track in front of him. Hopefully some good luck for young Max. All right, here come Max in the green machine leading the way. Second spot is going to be Luca Rao. Luca also needs some good luck. Good job, smart move there. Wesley getting rid of the all-white. Now he's rocking the Jorn Neumann famous orange in his truck. Max, Wesley, Luca, followed by Francois, Christian, Florian, Philip, Walter, and Sophie.
4 minutes to drive.
We got 1 down, 4 to go, 1 down, 4 to go. It's the green machine, Max Gutschel. Max out front, trying to pull away from Wesley and Luca as they have a hot battle for that 2 spot. Our leader, huge horsepower down the straight for the green machine. Around the X-ray hairpin they go. Got Wesley behind him. Right behind him is going to be Luca, followed by Christian Volkening from the 10 to the 4. Good start for Christian. Then it's Luca, followed by Francois, followed by Florian, Philip, Sophie, Walter. Across the start-finish line, it's the green. He's got a 9/10 of a second lead over Wesley. Luca behind him. Over to Tony Sport tabletop they go. We're at 2 minutes now, 3 to go. Got 2 down, 3 to go. The green, orange, and the white. Gotzel, your leader. You see all green number 2, Wesley second, followed by Luca and Francois. Francois now moving on up. He's in that orange and blue. It is Max out front, rocking the X-ray truck. Down the straight he goes in the all green. Second spot, Wesley. Running that new prototype Schumacher. As now that battle is tightening up. Max and Wesley. Oh, side by side. Good job, Wesley. Round the ice onto the straightaway. Crossing the line, 2:10 to go. Max and Wesley. Excellent race here up front, these two. Max and Wesley, the green truck and the orange truck. This to fight for the lead. Final number 3 of our modified truck, A main. Into the speed bumps they go. Through the switchbacks. All right, good job there. Thank you very much for letting the leaders by. Into the Schumacher switchbacks, they go down the straightaway and Max out front, minute 25 to go. Into the X-ray hairpin. Pretty much dead even. Over the backside tabletop. Into the Schumacher switchback here, up and over. Onto the front straight and out, 1 minute to go. 1 minute to go, a fantastic fight here. Modified truck, A main number 3, Max and Wesley. See all green, followed by the all orange. All right, leader, watch it. Leader coming up, leaders, thank you. On the straightaway they go. Hit the line, 35 seconds. Got 2 laps left. Max and Wesley. 30 seconds to go. In the backside tabletop. Max keeping Wesley at bay. Leader is going to be coming up here. Final lap here, 15 to go. Leader is going to be coming up maybe on Francois. It's the green truck of Max. followed by the orange of Wesley. It's going to be a race to the finish line. 5 seconds to go. Francois going to give these guys plenty of room here. Oh, Max cut the corner there. Oh, man, it's a race to the finish line off the ice. And that is a race. Wesley going to take the final leg.